Hey, y'all. Alright, let me show you what I come up with for a microscope stand uh, for holding your microscope, you know, for groove modulation. You know what I mean? I've seen people come up with different ways, contraptions for doing this, but my idea was pretty simple and it's very effective, and it cost me $10. So this is a microphone stand, and it was supposed to come with a microphone holder, and I figured that my microscope would fit right in that holder, but I didn't get the holder, so what I did is modified the stand that the microscope came with to kind of clip on to there upside down, and it works very well. Let me show you. See what you know what I mean? You can get a full so let's lock it. Let's lock it in. Let's see. There seems good. Oh, okay, let's see what we got. That looks good to me. So that's how you do that. There it is, microphone stand.